Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to tackle an interesting problem that has been causing some disagreement among different compilers. The problem revolves around a code snippet that involves a struct s, a couple of overloaded functions foo, and a call to foo in the main function. The catch is that the argument passed to foo is a volatile s-type, and this is where things get tricky. Some compilers accept the code without issues, while others flag it as ambiguous. Quite the problem, right? Now, let's delve into the solution. The crux of the matter lies in understanding implicit conversion sequences in C++. According to the rules, when dealing with a class-type parameter and an argument expression of the same type, the implicit conversion sequence is categorized as an identity conversion. In our case, both overloaded functions have arguments that can be considered as identity conversions. This leads to the situation where neither overload is deemed the best choice, resulting in an ambiguous call. And that, my friends, is why the compilers are at odds with each other over this piece of code. In summary, we've uncovered the root cause of the ambiguity in the code snippet involving the volatile type and overloaded functions. Understanding implicit conversion sequences and how they interact with class-type parameters is key to deciphering such conflicts. Well, that's all for today, folks. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!